All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another backing tutorial from my trucking skills. All right, so let me just talk about this. This is the spot we're going to go into. This spot was available for hours and hours and hours. Many people attempted to back into it, and every one of them failed. And by the time I was done with my day, now I've been working here all day, backing up into a lot of different spaces and everything. I saw that it was still vacant, and lucky for me, I needed that space. And I was optimistic. Well, I was optimistic that nobody else would park in there. So I went ahead and parked in there. So the hardest part about this is the setup. You got to get into this position here. Anything else would be, well, it would make it a lot more difficult. This was the best I could do for the setup. All right. And yes. Okay. That being said, now this is going to be a little bit overwhelming because I don't even know how many cameras I got running right now. Let's take a look. All right, I got my steers. Sorry, I got my steering wheel. I got my steer tire. Again, we got our convex mirror, a flat mirror, a convex mirror, and a head cam and a drone. Obviously, way too much to look at. I don't even know. This was a trial. All right. So anywho, let's go ahead and jump into it, and let's get this is again. This is my setup right here. Finishing off in a straight back. All right. Looking left, looking right. Now, I'm going to stop the footage in just a second. I'm going to explain what is going through my mind. And three, two, one, boom, right there. Now, there's a reason why I'm stopping it right here. All right. I always, right before I'm going to lose the sight over here, I like to take a little bit of a measurement from the distance of the closest object to my trailer. I don't know, let's call that 8 feet. Will the swing of my trailer hit this? Absolutely not. It would take a foot. Anything more than anything less than a foot, I start worrying. All right, about how hard you're actually going to be turning your steering wheel to the right. All right. So again, and then we're even further away from this one. You can even say it's probably the same distance actually. So we're not going to hit anything. All right, and let's carry on. So we don't need to worry about the swing. Now what we will be having to worry about are these poles right here, and the lack of space that we have. Okay. Yes, obviously everything looks easy when you're looking from a drone. All right, but trust me, it took a little skill, a little bit of thinking going on here. All right, because let's carry on. So I'm really paying attention to this, and I'm paying attention to this trailer right here. All right, I'm keep looking at it. Once I see the side of it, basically is when I'm going to start straightening up to the left. All right, hard left, hard left, hard left, hard left, and I'm going to stop when I have a straight back. Okay, basically have a straight back going on here. So far, I see daylight here. Check. I see that I'm pointing towards the middle of this trailer over here. Let's go. Where's the drone? There's the drone. So it looks like we are like okay. Well, a trailer is 53 feet, so that's around a trailer's length. So I could go back for 53 feet without hitting anything if I just do a straight back. All right. So this is why I put these lines on over here. So that's what if you did do a straight back, what would happen? All right. So it is a bit of a balancing act, trying to maintain the straight back. So I'll do a little bit of steering going on there. There we go. So I'm pointing towards this. I still see daylight. All right. Now right here is where I'm going to start the tiniest little jackknife. All right. Because I know my trailer tires are not quite past the trailer yet, but it's just going to curve around it. All right. As you can see, I'm jackknife because you can see more of this side of the trailer than you see this one. Now I'm not jackknifing hard because if I do, guess what I'm going to hit? These poles over here. You can see them in three different cameras. All right. Now, but if I didn't have the drone right now, I would have got out and looked. I honest to God, I would have. I am not 100% sure where the back of my trailer is versus this. All right. So I would have got out and looked, but instead I cheated and I looked at my phone and I could see that I was missing it. That's my version of getting out and looking. You guys got to get out and look. All right. Get those steps in. So I'm very worried about the poles here. All right. Right now my steers are pointing straight. Like I know that if I don't do any turning right now, I will not hit. And I'm still jackknifing at the same time. Because my steers are pointing straight, I'm at an angle. That means I am slowly jackknifing. I'm still basically pointing the steer straight. But I really, really want to start chasing it. I really, really want to start. I can't start chasing it till the front of the cab gets past here. Okay, there we go. Now we can start chasing it. Now I'm watching over here. Okay, I'm safe over here. I'm going to stop watching over here. Right now I'm looking at the side of my trailer versus the front of his trailer. And it looks like I'm good. And look at that. All I have to do is a nice dead straight back with a little bit of a maneuvering. Remembering the front of the trailer does a lot more work than the back of the trailer. And that's it. Now, if you're confused, obviously, I threw the head cam version in just because I don't know. You're not going to learn anything from a head cam. It really is. It's just basically it shows you what I'm looking at where my head's pointing towards, and you're not going to be sticking your head out the window looking at your tires. That's just kind of just to show you. But you will be seeing your steering wheel. You will be seeing these mirrors. Okay. So that's that, and I hope you enjoyed it. Anyway, all right. Till the next video. So how about that? I made another video for you guys. It's been a while. It'll probably be a while before I make another one as well after this one is posted. Anyway, subscribe, share, like. Well, like once at least. And click on any of these flashing green squares. All right, take care. Goodbye. Oh, don't forget to head over to my website as well and join up there.